Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to draw the original Apple logo in SwiftUI using color views, a mask, and an SF symbol. So let's get started. Let's start by opening Safari and search for original Apple logo. Let's go to Images and click on this one. You can see here it is made of 6 colors: green, yellow, orange, red, purple, and blue. So we are going to draw this in SwiftUI using color views, a mask, and an SF symbol. Let's remove the text and draw a color view. The first one is the green color. Let's make a copy of the green color. We are going to make 3 copies. First, let's embed this in a parent container VStack. Then we make 3 copies. We can command click and select the option repeat. We get 5 copies, so we change this to 3. So let's copy the green color and repeat it for 5 times outside the for each loop. Let's change the first color to yellow, then the next to orange, then the following one to red. We'll change this one to purple, and the last one to blue. Next, we are going to add a mask on the parent container holding all the color views. So that is this VStack. So let's bring the mask modifier. We have to specify the masking view. For the masking view, we are going to use an SF symbol. So let's bring the SF symbol application. I'm going to search for Apple logo. By selecting the logo, we can press Command, Shift, and C to copy its name. So we are going to specify the SF symbol as the masking view. So let's add the SF symbol as an image. Then over here, we are going to paste the name. That is shown at the center of the screen, but it is very small. So let's give the mask a size of 256. Next, we will make the image resizable and also set the aspect ratio to fit. For the content mode, we will set it to fit. Let's bring the Apple logo again. You can see here there is no space between the colors. So let's go to the parent container holding all the color views and set the spacing to 0. And with this, we have successfully drawn the original Apple logo here inside SwiftUI using color views, a mask, and an SF symbol.